Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your RBC credit card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new RBC credit card and check the sticker or letter for activation instructions. Next, make sure you have your card with you because you will need the card number during activation. Then, keep a pen and paper nearby in case you need to note any confirmation details. Now, find your mobile phone and ensure you have signal, or connect to stable Wi-Fi if you will use the app. After that, confirm your identity documents are accessible if RBC asks for verification. Next, look at the back of your card and locate the customer service phone number. Now, decide which activation method you prefer: phone, RBC mobile app, or online banking. If you choose phone activation, call the number on the back of your RBC credit card. Then, listen carefully to the automated menu and select the option for card activation. Next, enter your card number using the phone keypad when the system prompts you. After that, enter your card expiry date if requested by the automated system. Then, verify your identity by answering the security questions or entering requested digits from your SIN or postal code if prompted. Now, wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated successfully. If you choose the RBC mobile app method, open the RBC mobile app on your phone. Then, sign in using your RBC online banking username and password. Next, tap the menu and go to the section for cards or card services. After that, select your new credit card from the list of accounts. Then, tap the Activate Card option and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, confirm the activation request and wait until you see an activation successful message. If you choose online banking, open a web browser and go to the official RBC online banking website. Then, sign in using your RBC online banking credentials. Next, navigate to your credit card account and look for an Activate or Card Services option. After that, enter any requested card details and submit the activation request. Now, for any method, set or confirm your credit card PIN if RBC prompts you to do so. Then, review your card limits and settings like notifications to help prevent fraud. Next, make a small test purchase or a small online transaction to confirm the card works. After that, check your RBC app or online banking to ensure the transaction appears correctly. Finally, store your cards safely and never share your PIN or one-time codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.